What's with all the bars? Guess I'm stuck in here, huh? Am I in jail? Oh no! Can't someone bail me out of here? This has to cover something! $5,000! Look at that stupid mustache. Time to have a little fun. Hey there! Looking handsome today. Too good for an inmate? Bring me my stylist. Prettify me. And make it extra beautiful. How do I look? Fabulous, I'm sure. Like what you see, officer? Is that even the same person? They're the same lips. Whoa. She wants me to come over? Don't have to twist my arm. Oh yeah. Honey, I'm home. I thought you'd never get here. I came as fast as I could. Are you insane? You ought to be ashamed of yourself! Let's get back to work! I was getting so close, too. There sure is nothing to do around here. That cute officer's here? Think she'd ever be interested in me? Hello, David. Wanna spice up this Tuesday and get out of here? Yeah? That would never actually happen! Excuse me? I'll never tell. I couldn't go in there. I probably look a mess. I don't have a mirror in here. Think my hair's okay now? What's he doing in there? He looks a little crazy, doesn't he? You alright there, man? He's officially lost his mind! Maybe he's running a fever. What? I'd better get a doctor. This is the best manicure ever! Hope they're sharp enough. And quiet. What have I done? I just got them done! I can't believe this happened! What? I was awake this whole time. What's she crying about over there? Women. Help is on the way. Huh? I hear we've got a broken nail. It was a total accident, I swear. That's a bad break. Back in dreamland, huh? Perfect. Psst. Wanna earn double the tip? I suppose so. Do your thing. Nice and strong, okay? How do you like that? They'll unlock some fun, huh? Let's take this thing for a test drive. Where's the keyhole on this thing? It's a screen? Oh, hi. Don't hi me. More of a thumbs up. Get it? Can't replicate my thumbprint on those nails. Goodbye, miss. Nice try, though. The nail lady? Hey! Got time for these? Are you nuts? Do it yourself. Thanks! I can do a lot with this thing! Like get out of this dump. Almost there. Well, kind of. This is serious work. Uh-oh. How long have you been standing there? Officer? Does that mean I'm not in trouble? Ugh, you caught me. Was worth a try. We'll see about that. Aw, man. Ready? Aim. And miss. I can't do anything right. Hello? I have a cleanup job for ya. I'm here. There's a candy situation. Ah, I see. Oh well. Gotta love green apple. Your pay? Okay, here. It's a tough job, but someone's gotta do it. Speaking of jobs, how about getting me out of here? It's gonna cost ya. I don't know. Well, maybe. It was a pleasure working with you. See ya! I'd better skedaddle. That was great! Someone's got some shopping to do! Check out that mop! I know what to do! Woohoo! Did anybody else hear that? There it is! Don't mind if I do. Easy. Wow! Time to get to work. First, give the mop head a haircut. Then snag your favorite baseball cap. Turn it over, and put hot glue underneath the band. Stick the ends of the strands to it. Keep going. You want them all around the hat. And we're done! Recognize me now? Security, coming through! It's showtime! Hey! Huh? Come here! Get me out! I don't belong in here! I got you covered! How'd you even get in there? Now that's more like it. Appreciate your help. Yep, there you go. See you later. Wait. What? Did I just get locked up? I'm getting him! You! I'm getting out of here! Freeze, inmates! You're not going anywhere. Once a criminal, always a criminal. I finally got a delivery! Wonder what's in this thing. Ooh! This'll come in really handy. Huh? What's going on in there? Why does her head look funny? Show yourself! Is something wrong with you? Why won't you turn around? Are you sick? Oh god. Ah! You're a monster! Ooh. Wow! This mask is scarier than I thought! I should have thought of this sooner! I'm so close! Freeze! Put your hands where I can see them! Aw. Fun's over, huh? Whoops. What is all this junk? Wait a minute. I have the best idea! Whoa. What's that guy's deal? Okay, what's going on in there? You'd better answer me! Alright, that's it. I'm coming in! You gonna turn around now? Whoa! What on earth is this? 'Cause it's hysterical! Hey! You're laughing! 1 minute! Can you guys believe that guy? A paper mask? Stop it, man! You're killing me! Well, at least I'm not bored anymore. Second verse, same as the first. Think you'd fare well behind bars? What if you had lots of cash in your pocket? Hopefully you'll never have a reason to find out. Share this video with your friends who need a laugh today. Watch these, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never have to miss out on the fun.